How's it going, guys? I'm John McDevitt, and this is Motorcycling for Beginners. The goal of this video series is to familiarize yourself with your new motorcycle's features, as well as some of your basic maintenance procedures. On this season, we're going to be focusing on a 2018 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special. Alright, on this episode we're going to show you not only how to replace a burnt out bulb on your Road Glide Special, we're also going to show you how to tell if your bulb is burnt out without being behind the bike or in front of the bike. So let's get into it. Alright, first things first, we're going to show you how the bike lets you know that you have a burnt out bulb. You're going down the road, you're going to turn on your turn signal, you see your indicator. That is called hyper flash. It starts flashing faster than normal speed. Let me show you the good side. That's supposed to go. So we know we're on the right side of the bike. That's the side that's bad. So we'll go to the back, figure out if it's the front or the back, and then we'll replace the bulb. Alright, so our rear bulb was the one that was burnt out. So first things first, we're going to remove this cover. There's a flat notch for a flathead screwdriver. It may not always be in this spot, but it is on this one. So you insert, pry a little bit carefully, lens comes off. Now you're looking at the bulb. You press in, turn left, comes out. Then you grab your new bulb, little dielectric grease on there. Reverse the steps. Only you turn right. Make sure you line up your flat piece wherever you want it. Press it in, and your bulb is fixed. That's how you change your bulb.